You have been in the game.
Literally, the first goal wasn't a goal.
Yo. Papa. Yo.
Don't cry. Don't cry. Be strong for you.
Hey, look at that.
And the goalkeeper from England was like.
Nah, the goalkeeper was on steroids. What? The goalkeeper was.
He was on steroids.
Sharp. So now, Sharp, today's game is over. Let's talk about Sunday's game. Spain versus Argentina. What are you? We are talking about Sunday. What are you on Sunday? When you're not even watching soccer with us, you're fine. You won't even be watching with us on that day.
Spain.
You are Spain. What are you? Espanol or Argentina? Argentina.
You?
Me? Me no hablo English. I don't know. I don't know. Like Messi and Yamal on the other hand. I don't know. I feel like I'd have to actually think about that properly. Cause also me before when this game started, this England and Argentina won. Now, I didn't know at first which side am I going, but then I saw Jude. I'm like, yep. And then life happened. Messi decided to be Messi. So.
But no, Messi shouldn't got a red card. He shouldn't have got a red card. No.
So now, good game though. Good game. But at the same time, I was not watching football. I was watching WWE SmackDown. This was a wrestling World Cup. Nearly wrestling World Cup. Nisi FIFA World Cup. Nisi ball on 20 lebeletseng na. Nisi ball. To be honest. But enough about complaining.